everyone, good day. My name is Marian and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants from our company Remote Philippines Job. So let's learn more of her story and experience and her experience as well here in the company. So please welcome Miss Rashmi. Hi Miss Rashmi. Hello.
Hi Miss Marian, good afternoon.
Good afternoon Miss. Kumusta kayo?
Happy naman.
Okay, that's good to hear po. I love the energy. Yan yung gusto ko. Okay, so before we start Miss with this testimonial interview, can you please introduce yourself first?
Okay, so my name is Rashmi Rispun. I'm 35 years old. I've been with the company for more than 2 months now, and I'm under the recruitment team. Yeah.
Ayan. So far, Miss, with your journey, how was it? Okay lang ba? Smooth lang ba? Did you enjoy?
So hindi ko pa naman masabi, di ba, na ano talaga yon kasi sobrang active pa lang ng time ko dito. Pero so far, so good. Yes.
Worth it ba, Miss? Masabi mo na bang worth it na nakapasok?
So kasi, bale, yung background ko, I've been working remotely since 2012. I started as an content writer. So, kita mo naman, di ba, ang laki ng shift from content writing to being a VA. The post, naka-indicate naman doon na no experience required at basta you're willing to learn. So, granap ka na yung opportunity and thankfully naman, ito, natanggap. So, yun.
Proud of you, Miss. Grabe no, since 2012, more than 10 years ka na po working remotely.
Yeah, so simula nung nag-boom yung online work dito sa Philippines, yes.
And
so, ganda talaga ka dito.
Napili mo yung RPJ na to apply here pa rin kahit experience mo. So,
gusto ko lang na mag-try, tas yun, parang ito na siguro yung sign na mag-VA ka na lang. Yun. Kasi, to be honest, hindi ako mahilig magbasa. So, di ba, kung mahilig ka magbasa, writing comes naturally. So, yun, nahihirapan ako magsulat kasi nga, hindi ako mahilig magbasa. Yun.
This is my first time like interviewing or having a testimonial na sobrang tagal na working remotely. Kasi yung iba, like transitioning pa lang, like panibago pa lang sa remote work. And yeah, I think I will learn a lot more from you, Miss Rashmi. Okay, so next question that we have here, Miss. If you could like describe your journey here in RPJ in just one sentence that could really inspire someone watching right now our video, what would it be?
Siguro in 3 words na lang. It was fast and fulfilling.
Wow, bakit fast and fulfilling po?
So, yung fast, kasi less than 1 week lang, na-on board na ako. And then, fulfilling, kasi yung mga teammates, they're always willing to help. So, di ba, isipin mo kung yung mga katrabaho, kahit gano'n mo pa kagusto yung trabaho, kung yung mga katrabaho mo naman is nakaka-preset, gano'n. So, tatanggap ka talaga pumasok. Pero dito, kahit beginner ka pa lang, kung gano'n na maka-helpful yung mga teammates mo, so hindi ka talaga matatakot.
Yeah, I agree with you, Miss. For kahit gaano pa kalaki yung sahod, if like the working environment is not for you, like toxic naman, nakaka-burn out. Yun. And yun din yung nafe-feel ko here in Remote Philippines Job. It's because, parang kung meron mang hilahan, pataas. Hindi pa baba. And then, sobrang easy to reach out, to tap other teammates or other individuals here in our team. And yun. So, in regards with your story, Miss Rashmi, what made you take like the chance to apply to this company?
Kasi, kung ganito kabilis yung hiring process, di ba, parang iisipin mo, baka scam to, ganyan. Pero, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, but being in the remote world for for more than a decade, di ba? Parang na-distinguish ko na kung ano yung scam, ganyan. Tapos, hindi ka naman namin hihinga ng pera upfront. So, inisip ko, i-push ko na, i-grab ka na opportunity, di ba? So, yun.
Sobrang veteran na si Miss Rashmi sa paghahanap ng work online.
Pwede mo din sabihin ka, no?
My experience, no? Like more than a decade already. But working here in our Remote Philippines Job, Miss, what really surprised you the most during your like first week or the first month working here?
So, kagaya nga sinabi ko yung teammates, yun yung kasi so baka magalit yung ibang mga millennials sa akin, kanya sasabihin ko. Pero in my case, parang mas madami akong natututunan sa mga teammates ko na mas bata sa akin. So yun, igagay kan talaga nila yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi mo na hindi ka matatakot magtanong, ganyan. Kasi everybody's willing to help, everyone's so friendly, ganyan. As long as online yung pinagtanungan mo, sasagot sila.
Wow, ang ganda nun, no? Like, learning talaga is wala sa edad, di ba? Learning is a lifelong process. Kahit anong age, meron na sila like parang quotes na like papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na kami. Like na ako. Pero in this case, parang walang ganun.
Hindi siya
nag-a-apply. So, kahit sino yung makikilala natin, meron talaga tayong mali-learn sa kanila. Di ba?
Tama.
Mapabata man, mapamatanda man, anyone, we can learn from them talaga. I love that, Miss Rashmina. Like, open kayo to learn from the younger ones. So,
Tapos
bihira lang
kasi
yung ganun eh.
Oo, tapos may iba mga tao kasi na yung iisipin nila na bakit baka tinuturuan, mas patanda ako sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ito, maaano talaga yung humility mo. Magiging humble ka talaga kasi mas kung tutuusan, mas matagal na sila dito. So, mas alam na nila, mas gamay na nila. So, dapat pwede open ka sa criticisms, ganyan.
True. And I can learn from that talaga, Miss, na yeah, have humility in everything that we do talaga.
Yes.
Yun. You reminded me na, okay, Marian, be humble, ha? Okay, in regards with the growth and impact, Miss, I know hindi pa masyadong matagal yung 2 months, but yeah, hindi madali yun, ha? Hindi madali na magstay with the company. So, nakikita mo ba yung company na to, Remote Philippines job, that you're going to work here, like long term?
Of course, yes. Kasi hindi ko naman sinasabi na sobrang madali lang yung trabaho. Pero since nandyan na lahat, pinaprovide na nila lahat na kailangan mo. So, dali ka lang dapat sumunod, ganyan, ang makaintindi. Pero yun nga, if hindi mo naman God gets, madami ka naman mapagtatanungan. As long as marunong ka lang magtanong. So yun, magtatagal ka talaga sa work nito.
True. Like, cooperate lang talaga, teamwork.
Yes.
If, like, yun na yung sabi, if you want to build trust, you have to communicate. Yun.
Yes.
In regards with your job here, Miss, no, recruiting, and then 2 months ka pa dito here in the company, how was like this job change your life, like personally, or yeah, if there is in financially?
Personally, kasi I'm the type of person na yung alam mo yun, yung sabog-sabog, magtrabaho, ganun. So parang dito, mahuhon talaga yung time management skills mo. So parang yung pag nag-work ka, yung may sinusunod ka, parang workflow, ganyan. So hindi ka talaga mawawala. So you're always on track, ganun.
True, I agree. So yun nga, binibigyan naman nila tayo ng like guidance or support, especially with the managers or the owners. Sila nga sobrang bili lang itap. Tayo pa kaya.
Since na-mention mo doon, parang kapag ginagamit natin dito is luck. So, pag sinashare mo doon yung accomplishments mo, tapos from time to time, gra-rack yung mga managers mo. So, parang nakaka-boost ng confidence, di ba, na you're doing a great job, tapos, keep it up, ganun.
Kaya nga, parang simple lang yun pero like, it is our like workloads. Parang nawawala yung pagod kapag nakikita yung ginagawa natin. Parang ganun. Pero minsan nga, nasasabi ko sa ginawa ko lang naman yung trabaho ko. Bakit sa kanila, sobrang laki na, parang we really help them with the company in general. Parang ganun. So, parang nakakataba ng puso. So, kaya nga, hindi nakakapagod magtrabaho here in the company kasi sobrang appreciative ng mga boss natin. And yeah, chismis pa natin yung company natin, Miss Rashmi.
Sige.
Bakit mo masasabi, Miss, na like magandang opportunity to for others?
Kasi, so, kung nagta-transition ka to VA work, as I said, no experience required, diba? Tapos, kung nakikita nila na you're doing great at parang madali lang yung promotion, hindi ka naman sinasabi na katulad ko, ilang weeks ka pa lang, ilang months ka pa lang, mapag-promote ka na. Pero, as long as nakikita naman nila yung dedication mo, promotion is not impossible, even within a short time frame. It doesn't matter kung bakit sa ganito, ilang buwan pa lang, ako ganito nakatagal, hindi pa ako napapromote. Walang ganun. Parang depende yun kung paano nila nakikita yung dedication sa trabaho.
Yeah,
So yun.
I agree, Miss. Kasi, you know what? Sa mga na-testimonial ko, na-interview ko testimonial, parang ang dali lang nilang na-promote. It's because the bosses, parang nakikita talaga nila, parang replacement yung effort na nagawa nila. Ganon. So parang tayo na, or ako na nakakarinig ng mga ganong stories, makasabi na ako, okay, I have to work hard kasi alam kong may pupuntahan. Parang ganon. So hindi parang thank you lang.
Kaya nga sinabi mo kanina na parang yung kanara, diba? Ginawa ba lang naman yung nasa JD mo. Tapos parang kung makapag-thank you sila, yung parang ang laking bagay na. So yun, parang nabuboost nga yung moral mo, ganyan.
Parang ang laking na nagawa ko na sa company na to. So yun, hindi siya nakakapagod kapag kanon yung work environment natin. And that's what I love here in RPJ. And yeah, alam ko maraming applicants din, Miss Rashmi, na magtatanong na or makakita ng video na to na magsasabi, okay, sige, madali lang yung work, maganda yung work environment, yung bosses okay, mababait, pero paano naman yung hiring process? Baka sobrang hirap naman makapasok dyan. Ano yung masasabi niyo, Miss? How was your experience?
Yan nga, yung katulad sa na-experience ko, di ba? Nagulat na lang ako na 1 week lang may trabaho na ako, di ba? So, it explains na parang hindi naman sa no pressure, pero medyo madali lang, pero do your best lang. Basta ipakita mo yung dedication mo, ganyan. So yun, mahahal ka talaga. And kung sumunod ka sa mga SOPs ganyan, yung hindi ka pala desisyon, ganyan, magtatagal ka talaga.
Yeah, I agree po. So, i-expound ko lang yung sinabi mo po na madali. So, maybe someone masasabi nila na, baka putyo-putyo lang yung hiring process. So, not in a way na madali.
Not in a way.
Na. Okay. Madali lang siya, yung mga process na parang merong assessment, may interview, tapos yung interviewer hindi naman sobrang strict, parang ganon, yung mga questions lang. And then, yun yung parang madali lang siya sagutan.
Yung madali na organized kasi yung process natin sa putyo-putyo lang katalaga na sinabi mo. So, yun. Magkaiba yun.
Iba yun, guys. So, dito, hindi sobrang dali. So, meron na parang maano talaga yung ang utak mo. Ano bang isasagot mo dito? Parang matcha-challenge ka rin talaga. But yung parang response, or ano pang tawag doon, parang assurance ng company na hindi ka like, yung reply, yung response na, okay, the next day meron na agad yung response na, okay, you're hired. Hindi sobrang tagal. So yun, sobrang dali lang yung process. Or hindi ka need mag-wait ng ilang months or ilang weeks para lang makapasok. Yeah, okay. So, in regards, I just want to know more about you, Miss Rashmi. Okay, so what gets you going po in work? Is it like coffee, energy drink, or power naps?
Talaga mga wala. Kasi ko, hindi na yata dugo yung dumadaloy sa akin. Kape na yata.
So, ikaw na po yung nagtitimpla ng kape or nag-order ka po?
Hindi, syempre. In this economy ba? Order ka pa sa labas.
Oo nga naman. Yun, kape talaga. Kape ang bumubuhay sa mga virtual assistant. Lalo na pag nasa bahay lang, tapos sobrang lapit lang sa higaan. Ay, parang need talaga ng kape para gising ka buong shift. Kasi kapag pipiliin natin yung power nap na yan, parang aabot ng
may possibility pa na mag-extend.
True. Okay, so dito naman tayo, Miss. For who is or sino-sino yung perfect fit for this company, for our company kaya?
Perfect fit? As I said, kahit yung mga wala pang experience, basta marunong sumunod sa mga guidelines. That's it. Oo, yun na yun. Tapos marunong makinig sa mga teammates, sa mga mas senior sa'yo. So yun.
Basta you know how to follow rules lang talaga. Gano'n naman talaga sa work kapag kahit anong work, basta sinunod mo lang yung goal ng task mo, ng role mo, mare-reward talaga yan Yun. So, last question I have here, Ms. Rashmi. Why should the viewers who are watching this, why should they apply now and not later?
Viewers who are watching this, na pinupush talaga natin na mag-apply na, wag na ipagpabukas, ganyan. Kasi, as I said, quote-unquote, madali lang yung hiring process. And so, yung mga teammates, yan talaga yung lagi kasi na-stress, di ba? Yung teammates, everyone's always willing to help, ganyan, kung may hindi ka alam na process, tanong ka lang sa kanila, and yun, sasagutin ka naman nila. Basta wag ka lang mahiya, naminin yung mga weaknesses mo, ganyan. So yun, parang may sasabihin na naman ako na medyo controversial, pero everyone can excel in this job. Basta yan nga, marunong ka lang sumunod, pakumbaba, ganyan.
Yeah, I agree talaga, guys. Miss Rashmi and I can vouch that for you.
Yeah.
As in, parang so gaan working here.
Yes.
Because this is testing guys. We want to other Filipinos as well struggling right now na may experience kung ano man yung experience namin. So, actually, this is my first time under agency, pero hindi micromanage.
Oo, tama.
Hindi pa ako sobrang taas yung experience ko working remotely, but meron na experience. But yeah, as working in an agency, sobrang bihira na hindi nagma-micromanage. But here, ewan ko ba, basta sobrang gaan lang. And yun i-stress talaga namin yung working environment kahit na we are not in just the same office, but hindi matagal or mahirap itap yung mga teammates. So yun lang. So yun yung masasabi namin ni Ms. Rashmi na you should apply now and not later, wag na ipapabukas pa kasi chance niya na to na magkaroon magandang work and to para bang to feel appreciated kung hindi man kayo na-appreciate sa mga previous work niyo. So, yun.
Tama.
So, I just want to say, I enjoyed talking with you, Ms. Rashmi. We'll learn a lot more from you. Your experience will teach me kung paano talaga yung work, parang yung processes pa with life, parang ganon. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for giving us parang glimpse lang yun ng life mo and what it's like to be part here in remote Philippines Jobs family. So we're not just a team, guys. We're a family here. So yeah, if you guys love hearing real stories, like may share us my story. So from one of our amazing team members as well, or other members here in Remote or RPJ. And yeah, to our viewers, we love to hear from you as well. So don't forget to LSC, like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And who knows, diba? And ngayon, nanonood lang kayo, and the next time, kayo na yung mafe-features. So, sabihin niyo sa akin kung, okay, miss, napanood ko yung video niyo with Miss Rashmay. And ngayon, ako looking forward to that one, guys. And again, thank you so much, Miss Rashmay, and I really appreciate your time. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.